Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sagar Data Labs. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now imagine that you have a huge data in your employees table. Suppose we have 50,000 records of data. Record is nothing but row of data. Now you only need employees who work in IT department for your analysis. Now it is not practical to go ahead and load all the rows for this information. That's where where clause comes in. We can use where clause to go ahead and filter the data so that we have desired data output for our analysis. So in this video, we will see how we can use the where clause to go ahead and filter data according to our needs. So without further ado, let's get started. Before jumping into the topic, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick recap. Till now, we have learned how to create a database, how to use a database, how to create a table, how to insert the data into the table, and how to retrieve it. Now, another major part of SQL queries is how to filter the data. That's where we use where clause. So now let's go ahead and open MySQL Workbench and see how it works. Whenever you learn a different topic of SQL, I would recommend you to create a different SQL file so that you have all the lectures coding with you once you're done with this course. Before doing anything, always make sure that you select the database. And we have learned in the previous video to select the database, we use command. So let's go ahead and do that. Use and our database name. Let me go ahead and show you the whole table, what data we have. So we will write select star from employees and we will run this. Now let me go ahead and just drop this down so that you can see. So I have taken a sample of 100 employees and I have inserted that data. Show you the insert statement as well. This is the insert statement. I'll put it in the description so that you don't have to waste time writing and preparing the data. So you can go ahead and just copy that and paste it in your workbench and that should work. Okay, so now we have seen what the table looks like, right? So we have to now go ahead and see how where clause works in SQL. So let's go ahead and see that. The basic syntax of the where clause will be as follows. We will use select keyword, then we'll use star from employees, and then we will use the where keyword, and then we will specify the condition. And after that, we will use the semicolon to end the statement. This is the basic syntax of using the where clause. And now let's see how we can do the data filtering using a numeric column and then a text column. Now, filtering can be done using a numerical column in the condition or using a text column. So let's first understand how to use numerical column as a condition in the where clause. So suppose I wanted the employees who earn less than 50,000. So what I will do is I will write select star from the table employees where salary is less than 50,000 and I'll put this. So what it does is it will select all the columns from the employees table where the salary is less than 50,000. That's what we need, right? So we will go ahead and run this. If you see here, we have only the people who earn less than 50,000. Let me go ahead and expand it more so that you can see it clearly. So this is how we use numerical column in the where statement. Now let's take another example. Let's just copy this. Let me paste it here. Now what we want is we want employees who has salary more than 50,000 not less than 50,000. Okay, so this will give totally different result. Let me go ahead and do that. Every record which we get here, we will be having salary more than 50,000. So other operators are less than equal to, greater than equal to, etc., which we can use with the numerical column. Now let's go ahead and learn how we can use the textual column for filtering the data in the where condition, right? So where we want only the employees who are working in the IT department. So what I will do, I will again write the select query where I'm selecting all the data from employees table where department is equal to IT. In general, whenever you use string, you should always make sure that it is enclosed in the double quotes. So let's go ahead and run it. Now see, we got all the records where the department is IT. Imagine a situation in which I want to filter data based on multiple conditions, and I want data only if all those conditions are satisfied. In that situation, we will be using AND keyword in the WHERE clause. So, for example, I want the employees who work in IT department and also earn salary more than 50,000. So, I only want data both of these conditions are fulfilled. So, let's go ahead and write the query. Select star from employees where department is equals to IT. Since IT is string, I'm using double quotes. And salary is more than 50,000. Now, what it will do is, it will go ahead and filter only those records where the department is set as IT and salary is more than 50,000. Let's go ahead and do that. None. So there are no records where the salary is more than 50,000 and that person is working in IT department. Now consider this. I want employees who are either working in the IT department or who are earning salary more than 50,000. So I want data even if only one condition is satisfied. That's where we will go ahead and use the OR keyword. So let's go ahead and just modify this statement and find out what it gives us as output. I'll just replace it with the OR keyword. I am running it now and let's see what result we get. Alright then. So here let's go ahead and analyze the data. In the first record, the department is IT, but the salary is not more than 50,000. That's fine because even if only one condition is satisfied, then that record will be included in the result grid. Now, in the third record, we have a department as finance, which should not be the case, but we have salary more than 50,000. That's why this record has been included. So OR is used to filter data based on either condition. If either condition results in true, then that data will be populated. So always make sure when you are using strings, it should be enclosed in double quotes. Second mistake which beginners do is they go ahead and write the wrong table name or wrong column name or wrong syntax. If you are someone who is serious about learning the data analytics and other data skills, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you never miss a new video. In the next video, we will go ahead and learn advanced filtering using the like and in keyword along with the where clause. Till then, Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in that video.